This is it, lads. I'm old. So old. Well, not so old. I'm making it sound like I'm like an elderly person. Basically, I'm 21 today. I don't know, weird feeling. So I figured I'd make a vlog on my birthday. Like, I've never done one on my birthday before. I haven't made a vlog for over a year now, which is crazy to think about because I don't vlog because my life's not that interesting. But I figured it'd be cool because I got a few things that I kind of want to do on camera today anyway, so I'll probably bring you along. I think it'd be quite cool and fun to do. Okay, so I've introduced these guys a few times, but I've never done this before, but I think this is going to be quite cool. And also, I don't know, I figured I'd show you this new patio. Looks pretty cool. Obviously, it's still not done, but, you know, that's cool. Yes, meet cat. That's my cat, by the way, Misty. This is my brother's cat, Amelia. Still questionable about the name, but whatever. One of the things is being this. So, I've got, like, this cowboy outfit for the cats. I figured I'd dress one up. This one's more easygoing, so I'm gonna dress Misty up. I think it'd be quite funny. I got like a bandana and a hat. She normally doesn't mind this. I thought I'd do it on camera for the first time because it'd be quite funny to do. So doing this with one hand is going to be quite annoying. But if it comes to it, I will put the camera down and show you afterwards. I'm probably going to wake her up. Hello. Okay, you're awake already. Good. There we go. It's okay. Just put your head through. There we go. Good girl. She doesn't mind. I think she's just too tired to care. Well, you will care about this, won't you? Oh my. Doesn't she look cute? Hello? Show your face. Oh, she looks so grumpy. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I'm just scarred. Yeah, I'm sorry. She looks so sad. I'll take the hat off. The bandana can stay. She doesn't really like the hat because I think it just like pulls on her neck a bit. But bandana's alright because it's like really loose on her. You know, just really quick. You're not getting out of this. You can wear this hat for a minute. Do you like it? There we go. You like it? I don't think she does. She's trying to get it off. She will eventually. Like, there was this Christmas hat we put on her around Christmas time. She got that off instantly. There we go. She's like the master of getting clothing off. Oh man. Anyways, this package came earlier for me by Amazon, and it's the PSVR 2, so I figured I'd unbox it, and I've never seen one in person, so I think it'd be quite cool and quite fun to do anyways. It comes with the VR Horizon Zero game as well, which is cool. I'm really excited to play that. So I just carried this up the stairs. I'm just gonna quickly open this. I've got my screwdriver. I've been hanging up paintings most of the morning. Right. I'm intrigued to see what this is actually gonna feel like on my head and stuff. Like, I have no idea how old the PSVR 2 is. I think it's like fairly new still, right? Okay, I'm actually like really excited though. Like, there's not too much packaging in the box. Call of the Mountain, that's what it was called. Alright, epic. Where did I put my screwdriver again? Got it. This tape's so annoying. I just gotta get this off. Now I can unbox this. Alright, we good. I got it. Maybe I should do more unboxing videos in the future. Who knows? Right. Yes! This is already better than the first one, I can already tell. So we got like the cable here. So it already is like way better. Like the other one is somewhere, but if I were to do like a comparison, like I don't know, it just like feels better in terms of design. I mean, I'm always bad at comparing stuff, but yep, this is what else? The controllers, of course. Yeah. So these have like a massive change to them because the old ones were like just a straight thing with a ball on top. Yeah, that's my way of describing it. These ones are, you know what? I kind of like the feeling to these. Yo, the design for these ones are really cool. Yeah, I'm actually really excited to make gameplay videos using this. Um, there is actually a second Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted game coming out soon, so I'm 100% going to be playing that. I did live stream it, the first one. I never completed it because I was awful at the game. But I'm actually gonna try to complete the second one, if or when I can. And yes, I got like the digital code for the for Call of the Mountain. Nice. And there's just a bunch of cables left in it as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of opening this VR headset. It's really cool, like insanely cool. I'm probably gonna end this video here as well. Only because I could keep on vlogging, but I'm not going to do much throughout the day. I'm going to go down to Tesco, do a bit of shopping, go down to my sister's. And I just don't want to worry about what to record because, you know, it's my birthday. I want to chill, but I wanted to, at the same time, make something on my birthday in terms of a vlog. So this is it. It's been cool. It's been fun, swift. Really fun to record and show you everything. Thank you for watching. I now feel old. I'm probably going to retire before long. Now I will see you all next time.